We cannot teach anyone philosophy and science unless there is bread in the belly. The happiness gained from harem money always ends in pain. Doubt is often a useless pain in your life. As many curses as there are in the world, hunger is the mother of them all. The enemy's favorite trick is to turn friends against each other. People who are silent all the time are more dangerous and intelligent. You can never get well in the environment that made you sick. Mistakes in life teach you how to think, speak, and understand. Taking the initiative to apologize is a sign of bravery. If anyone thinks that everyone should consider him good, he's the chief of fools. In a society where fear and hunger prevail, people lose the power to think. Goodness of man is his greatest weapon. Believe me or not, but your relatives secretly hate you. A responsible man is better than a handsome man. Health is definitely more valuable than money because money is obtained through health. If someone hurts you, it's better to ignore them. It saves you time and energy.